So when you get your TV box up and turned on and powered up, you will see a menu something like this. They're not all the same, but they're all very similar. So you can see on this one, it says right here, Amazing Kodi. So that's how Kodi gets launched on this particular device. If you do not see a shortcut that says Kodi, you can go down to that plus and open that up, and then you'll just look for the Kodi app, put a check mark on it, then press the back button on your remote control, and then it will add a shortcut to the bottom there. So you can see you just need to find somewhere to launch the Kodi app. You can also launch Netflix, or there's lots of other apps. You can install Facebook on it. You can use the web browser. You can go to the Play Store and launch any Android apps and install them on that device. I've also installed a emulator on here that allows you to play old classic video games, and you can use YouTube and whatnot. So you're going to launch the Kodi app. It will be set up for you. If it's a box from me, it'll be pre-set up, so you'll come to a screen that looks something like this. On this screen, you'll be able to do all of your videos. Most of them will have another shortcut for music. You also have your programs and your system settings. You should not have to change any of the settings. Most people want to just use it for videos, so you would go to the videos, and most people use what's called the Exodus app. When you launch the Exodus app, you will see a screen just like this. So you can go to movies if you want to watch a movie. You can go to TV shows if you want to watch a TV show. So in this case, we're going to look for a movie. So you'll come up to a list. You can search by genre, by year, certain people. You can see what's most popular. You can see what's in theaters. Anything that's in theaters will usually be a cam or really poor quality. And then you can do a search. So if you want to do a search, you're just going to have a menu that pops up. You just need to type in what you're looking for. I'm going to look for a movie called Shooter. So you just punch in the letters to spell shooter, and then go to done. You'll see in the corner right there, it says working. So it's loading. It's entirely web-based, so nothing is stored on the box. So when you're going between menus, it's going to always have to work as it pulls the data from the internet and then displays that for you. So as it searches for any movie that has shooter in the title, it'll just sit there working away. Okay, so here's all the movies with shooter in the title. So I was looking for this one with Mark Wahlberg. So you're going to click OK, and then it's going to just load all the sources for you. So there's going to be the streams that are going to open up to play your movie. So when that bar is complete, it should list all the sources that you can watch your movie. Again, this is web-based, so it's downloading the list live off of the web from all of the locations where the movies can stream from. So depending on your internet connection, this could take a little bit longer than others. So now here I've got a list of movies. Usually I just start right at the top. You can see this one says that it's HD feed, HD, and then these ones would be not HD. So if you've got slow internet, you want to not pick an HD feed. I don't have slow internet, so I'm going to pick an HD feed. Now you'll see in the bottom it says working again, right there, and then the movie will start and play. And then when the movie starts playing, you can see the relevant information right here. So it's a 720 HD feed, it's 2.0 sound, and it's undescribed audio. And that's pretty much the movie. So I'm going to skip ahead and You can see kind of what it's playing. There's also on here where it loads, so that'll show you as it's loading, as it buffers, you'll see a little gray line kind of start to fill up there. So while you're watching the movie, it will just keep loading itself as it goes. So that's basically what you're going to do. There's lots of other apps that you can run or plugins. You can use this Luke. You can use One Channel, Cloud TV, US TV Now. There's a ton on here. If you go to add-ons and open it up, it'll list them all here. So there's some that'll play live TV. You can watch like pay-per-views and that sort of thing on a lot of them, like NBC Sports. Sports Devil's a good one. You can stream live games of pretty much anything anywhere in the world from something like this. So we can just see what's on live right now. And then you're just going to pick whichever source you want to go from. And if there is a game on, then it should just stream it for you. There's no game on this one, so it doesn't matter. So that's basically what you're going to see. Pretty much everything you want to do is going to be through this menu right here. I rarely go back to the home menu because we just use it for movies mostly. If you need to change any settings, it's all in here. You can change your appearance, put different themes, and then do new add-ons and whatever. Google's a good place to look up how to handle any of your plugins that you want to do or anything like that. But that'll give you a basic overview of how the system works.